Your brain is overheating right now, and it's desperate for relief. When you yawn, you're not just tired, you're trying to cool it down. As your jaw stretches and air floods in, body temperature drops. Cells cry out for oxygen, and yawning signals the brain to reset. That satisfaction you feel? It's your mind finding balance. Studies show yawning increases alertness, enhancing cognitive function. But why so contagious? It's a primitive social cue, like a primal SOS. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's battle signal. The real question remains, what else could be overheating up there?
More videos like this are on the way. Stay connected.